I recently came across a product called GlycoHarmony, and it's being marketed as a natural supplement that can supposedly stabilize food, blood, sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even help replace proper diabetes treatment. The ads make it sound like one simple capsule can solve serious health problems almost overnight. Also, here's the truth. GlycoHarmony appears to be another overhyped supplement using misleading marketing and exaggerated claims to sell hope, not proven results. Before I continue, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purpose only. I am not selling anything. I'm just exposing this so people don't get misled. Now let's break it down. First, the marketing. Products like GlycoHarmony are often promoted using fake AI-generated advertisements. Some feature people dresses as doctors or medical experts claiming supplement is a breakthrough discovery. Others are designed to look like news report or health interviews. But in many cases, these endorsements are completely fabricated. This is a common scam tactic used to create fake trust and authority quickly. Now let's talk about the ingredients. If you go through the ingredients of this product, you can simply find normal ingredients that usually contain common ingredients such as cinnamon, berberine, or beta melon. While some of these ingredients have been studied for minor effects on blood sugar, they are not miracle cures. They cannot replace proper medical treatment, insulin, or professional care. Managing blood sugar is complex. It involves diet, exercise, lifestyle changes, and sometimes medication, not one magic supplement. Another major red flag is the reviews. The website is usually filled with five-star rating that almost seem like a perfect rating, claiming dramatic results within days. But there is often no independent verification, no credible clinical studies, and no trustworthy third-party reviews supporting those claims. Many of those reviews seem to be like AI generated. Even so-called doctor recommendations are often impossible to verify. It gets worse when you go through the billing. The billings seem to be like recurring subscription charges, difficulty canceling orders, and unauthorized payments appearing after the initial purchase. Some people even claim they had to block their bank cards to stop the charges completely. And when you step back, the pattern becomes it's part of larger cycle of rebranded supplements sold under different names using exact same promises and marketing tactics. So let's be clear. GlycoHarmony is not a proven medical solution for blood sugar control, it's just a heavily marketed supplement being sold with exaggerated claims and risky subscription practices. If you've seen this product or tried it, share your experience in the comment. Stay sharp because many health supplements online are designed to sell hype, not real results.